What's going on, y'all? It's Dime. First thing, before we get into the video, I want to apologize for being kind of away from YouTube for a little while. Had to take a break, worrying about physical health, I'm starting to feel better though, so we're going to get back into it. I was recently gifted this World War I bolo knife from my great uncle, and he said it was his dad's, so that'd be my great grandfather. This is World War I, made by the American Cutlery Company, Chicago, 1918. We'll get it all cleaned up. Only thing we're going to be doing, we're not going to make it look shiny new. We're going to get all this surface rust off of everything. Just get it cleaned up a little bit so it doesn't rot away. Get some oil on the leather. I'm not sure what that is, some kind of wax or something. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. Cleaning up an old family heirloom. Let's get to it. I'm not trying to remove all that patina, just getting that surface corrosion off. I like that little bit on there. Like, this stuff ain't coming out, so I ain't gonna shine this up too bright. Same with the blade. Still got all the pits and character to it, just got the rust off. Let's get this all put back together now. This was just a simple little cleanup, not too in-depth or nothing. I think that's tons better than it was. All that rust is gone. Still got that good patina, but no more rust. Looks pretty good. I'm glad I could clean up this old family heirloom and keep it in good condition enough for it to survive another 100 years. Yeah. If y'all enjoyed this, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of the project. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate it. Helps us out a lot. And yeah. Until next time, y'all. Peace.